Hello everyone, this is Aida Kolami from Akinet Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove blank rows in Excel. So first you can see I have a bunch of data. I have some columns and some rows, and then I have some blank rows in between. Now I want to delete them, but first of all, if you have a small set of data, you can do it manually. So I just need to click on the row. If you can see it in this position, the entire row is now selected. Right click on that and click delete, so you can see the row is now deleted. Now on delete, I delete because in a very much cases you cannot do that because you're working maybe with a large data set that if you want to do it manually, you want to waste a bunch of hours on that. So what will you do? You first need to select the whole area, then go to find and select and click on go to special. Then here click on blanks, check the blanks option, click OK, and now you can see that all the blank rows are now selected. So then you go to delete option, and here select delete sheet rows. Now you can see that all your blank rows are deleted. So that's it for today's video. I hope you'll learn something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agnes channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.